What's good? It's Trap Savage TV. I'm back with another one. Now today we got Boona 300, man. Now look, man, he chilling with the guys, man. And look, the crazy thing, they got a parrot, man, and Boona put the OTF chain on the parrot, man. Let him know, man. The parrot even got his loyalty to OTF, man. But look, man, Boona having fun, man. He living life, man. You know what I'm saying? He enjoying life, man. You know what I'm saying? All the success to OTF that's coming, man. You know, all the shows they've been rocking this year ever since. You know what I'm saying? They can do shows and stuff like that, man. You know, the guys is going crazy right now, man. So salute to Boona, man, for holding it down for OTF, man, and all the guys, man. But look, man, he just got the parrot, man, and I don't even think the parrot can hold up to the OTF chain. But look, man, he just let y'all know where his loyalty at, man. But look, comment, like, subscribe, salute, it's love.
What you want to say? You want to say something? You don't want to talk? He put the chain on me, you know. Y'all know my steam on. We gon' put out the anyway. I keep some E&J sitting in the stairway. I either on the back and bridge. Niggas ready for it. Catch your body, when you still I stay quarter so far. The Mac cameras in the glasses. I ran like a cheetah with assassin. Keep the Mac up, your brother's back up. The spirit that was hitting niggas one ring. Got you ready for it, look. Try to put it down there and make it shot. Running through these checks until I pass out. That's good. Shit, give me back till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out. And if you ain't a whole deal, I'ma drive my house. I've been selling presses like my favorite friend. Really never made no difference. Nobody's down there. Why you biting the fuck, bro? Why you biting the train? Shorty like the way that I'm born out. I be getting money to the week, talk cash, though I go flowing out. Shorty like the way that I flow out. Frequency up, let all of my dogs out. Yeah, he got my back. You see, he watching my back, trying to see what he doing. What he doing? Free stand up, let all of my dogs out. We gon' pull up in that thing like we got soda. With them 16s, we gon' put some shots on us. Bitch, I attack that. Choose up, hell, jump, and a big killer. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in a coupe, smoke cactus. Little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Hey, little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, hey, shut the fuck up. Hey, y'all know what the fuck it is, man. We only family in this bitch, man.